How do you bring up your immune system? Good question. Depends what it's actually doing. There's so many ways to do it. First and foremost, stress response is huge. Stress will shut down your immune system. And so you need to make sure you keep it. Again, nutrients, proteins, tons of proteins. My generic answer, without knowing any specifics about you, a gram of protein per pound of body weight. That seems like a lot, but it's definitely necessary to do all the things that you need to do, especially in the beginning. If you've been depriving yourself, it'll help oversaturate your body. Secondly, eating fats. You need dietary fats to do a lot of the healing. Cholesterol in and of itself is designed to heal. So that quote unquote good cholesterol, it takes all the issues from your periphery and bring it to your liver to get detoxed out. That's why it's considered good cholesterol, because it does all that. So you need good cholesterol. You need to eat it. You need to eat good fats to make sure your body can heal and clean up all that debris. And so, yeah, if you have low liver enzymes too, that's going to be a problem because you don't have the enzymes. Enzymes are proteins. So you need the proteins to then go build the enzymes. Now you need to make sure that you build the correct enzymes, and that's where stress can take over, and that's where the body itself knows what to do internally to protect itself for short-term survival, but that does not mean long-term thriving situation. So you want to make sure you support your body. You want to make sure that your body feels great internally. But if you have some sort of low liver activity, you have some kind of immune issue, then there's a lot of other things that it could be. It could be environmental. It could be something else. I would want to talk more in depth about it. There's a lot more questions that I have that I don't want to get into in a TikTok comment section. But yeah, if you have questions, send me a DM so we can talk more in depth about it, because I want to answer and ask some questions.